Your host, Jack McKeag, and we're going to talk about the Bulletproof Trust today on libertyaid.org. It's been 100% successful for every single one of our clients in every way, to include, no income tax, no inheritance tax, and also with the trust and the notice, every single time that the trust has been used to overcome a foreclosure, it has worked perfectly. In other words, even if, and there are many cases that have happened, but let's say even they get a foreclosure hearing or whatever, and the sheriff comes to seize the house, guess what? They can't seize the house with a notice. So, and it's also, the trust is 508 C1A trust, 508 C1A, just like the In God We Trust is, right? And so, just like the USA, the In God We Trust USA doesn't pay any property taxes, you don't need to pay any real estate taxes. No, for your home. Our clients have successfully, anyone that puts their property in the name of the trust, you can go down at the county and simply change to not paying property taxes. I mean, it's hard for me to come up with the reasons why people do not get this trust to benefit them. It's like there's no downside. It's just, no property tax year after year after year after year. I mean, why aren't you doing that? Anyway, come on. What are you waiting for? All right? It's so easy. I'm here to help. Email, free, tell you what to do. Piece of cake, and look at all the testimonials. All right, okay, let's take your turn. Come on now.